I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public profile on Snapchat. First, understand the age requirements. A full public profile with all its features is available to users aged 18 and above. However, if you are between 16 and 17 years old, you can still access some limited public content features. Your account also needs to be at least 1 day old and have at least one friend who has added you back. If you are 16 or 17, you can access limited public features. Start by opening the Snapchat app and tapping your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner to go to your profile. Scroll down until you see the public profile section. Here, you should find an option to opt in and create a public content page. This allows you to add a bio and a cover photo, making your content more discoverable. To maximize the visibility of your public content, you'll need to adjust some privacy settings. From your profile, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down to the privacy controls section. Here, ensure that Contact Me is set to everyone so more users can interact with you. Also, change View My Story to everyone to ensure your public stories reach a wider audience. For a full public profile with all features, including advanced customization and subscriber options, you must be 18 years or older. If you are under 18, attempting to change your birth date to meet this requirement goes against Snapchat's terms of service. It's crucial to consider online safety and privacy. Think carefully about what you share publicly and always adhere to platform guidelines for a safe experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.